Confidence is the best accompaniment to coffee. Bonjour tout le monde and welcome back. Today's episode is one of my absolute favorites because if you know how to order coffee in France, you can survive anywhere. It's not just about caffeine. It's about culture, rhythm, and confidence. And if you're still building that confidence, the best way to practice these real-life phrases is with Airlearn. It's not just vocabulary. You can actually practice café conversations like this one. For instance, feedback and native pronunciation. Let's set the scene. You walk into a beautiful little cafe in Paris. There's the sound of cups clinking, maybe a waiter in a bow tie, and a few locals reading the paper. You feel excited and then slightly terrified. What do you say? Most people's first instinct is to say, "Can I have a coffee?" But in France, we don't have things. We would like them politely, musically. So instead of "Can I have a coffee?" you'll say, "Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît." I would like a coffee, please. Simple, elegant, 100% polite. Now here's where it gets interesting. In France, un café doesn't mean a big cup of coffee. It means a tiny, strong espresso. The kind that wakes you up and scares your jet lag away. If you want something milkier, you'll ask for un café crème, a coffee with milk like a latte, or un cappuccino. A cappuccino, yes, they understand it. If you want it to take away, à emporter, to take away, to go. Let's put it together. Bonjour, je voudrais un café crème, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I'd like a coffee with milk, please. Say it with a smile. You're golden. Let's run through it. Bonjour, madame. Vous désirez? Hello, ma'am. What would you like? Je voudrais un café crème, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a coffee with milk, please. Très bien, un café crème. Very good, one coffee with milk. Merci, thank you. French phrases for today. Je voudrais, I would like. Un café, an espresso. Un café crème, a coffee with milk or latte. S'il vous plaît, please, in the formal context. Merci, thank you. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. The bill, please. The very first time I ordered coffee in France, I proudly said, un café, s'il vous plaît. The waiter nodded and brought me something so tiny I thought it was a joke. One sip and my eyebrows shot up to heaven. Lesson learned. In France, espresso is the default. So the next day I said, un café crème, s'il vous plaît. And voila, the perfect creamy cup appeared. Victory tasted like warm milk and relief. In France, coffee isn't just a drink. It's a ritual. People sip it slowly, talk, and linger. You rarely see French people walking down the street with takeaway cups. They sit, they enjoy, they savor. So if you want to blend in, take a seat, relax, and enjoy your moment. Practice time. Repeat after me. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a coffee, please. Je voudrais un café crème, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a coffee with milk, please. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. The bill, please. Merci. Thank you. Perfect. You now sound like a local. Mini scene. You walk into a cafe. Bonjour, je voudrais un café crème, s'il vous plaît. Très bien. Sur place ou à emporter? For here or to go? Sur place, merci. For here, thank you. Let's have a quick vocab refresher. Sur place, for here. À emporter, to go. Sucre, sugar. Sans sucre, without sugar. You see? Just a few phrases and you've unlocked an entire French experience. And here's the best part. You can now order coffee. You'll start talking to people, the waiter, the person next to you, maybe even the owner. Coffee is the perfect icebreaker in France. So before your next trip, open the Airlearn app and try it out. You can actually order coffee, ask for the bill, and respond to a waiter, all with instant feedback on pronunciation. It's the most fun way to build real confidence before you even land in France. So, your homework today is go order one, even if it's imaginary. Say it out loud. Bonjour, je voudrais un café crème, s'il vous plaît. Do it until it feels natural, because you can confidently order coffee in other languages. You're not just learning words, you're learning to belong. Next time, we'll move on to something trickier but fun. Counting in French without crying. Spoiler, the French way of counting might make you laugh, but I'll show you how to make sense of it once and for all. Merci et à bientôt.